Another day, another life. Welcome to another episode of PolaRIDES. In case you were wondering where am I going on this kinda early, aga-aga ko lumabas. Saan ako papunta? Well, before that, roll the intro.
If you want some never, just let me know.
Whoa. PolaRIDES, where are you going? Hindi yan yung ruta na tinatahak mo araw-araw. Ito Tagalog no? Well guys, I have a meeting, early meeting. Meron akong ka-meeting because I'm going to rent a GoPro. I'm going to try to rent a GoPro. And nakita ko siya sa GoPro Buy and Sell PH. Ito sa Facebook page na or group na pwede kang mag-rent ng GoPro. Well, actually, I messaged the man Friday night. Then, actually, I am recording this on a Saturday, so that's why I missed the Saturday upload. I am very, very sorry, guys. Banatan natin ito ng Valentino Rossi na yung katawan lang. Pwede na yung good na yun. Oh yeah guys, I messaged this guy, Leonard Okmer, and very accommodating siya, in fairness. Well, I'm going to meet the guy who will let me borrow a GoPro Hero 4 because I need to use it on our Sunday ride, our anniversary ride ng Team Viajero. So, actually late na ako pero sniper! Our meeting place is at Tropical Riverbank. Fuck! Shit, pothole shit. Okay guys, we're going to meet the man behind the GoPro renting. Okay, I don't know how to transition it, but you will meet the guy. Paano? Okay. Wala na akong choice sa mga kakilala ko. Gagamitin din wala akong service. Wala talaga. Sorry. So that's the guy, Leonard Omer. Thank you. I will feature you on my YouTube because you're a nice guy. No more Mr. Nice Guy. Yeah. They say wait. This is a spoiler alert. Spoiler alert. Okay, what's on my next agenda? I hate this freaking too many things to do because I don't have much time left. Diyan, nauubusan ako ng oras, nakaka-bad trip yun na. They blocked the freaking driveway. Dude, they blocked the driveway. Holy shoot.
The subscriber cannot be reached. Please try again.
Anak na po. At pala doon na ako nagparada sa ano. Me in ass. This is a sticky situation, eh? Holy fuck, man, holy fuck. Ba't naman kasi dyan kayo nagparada, nak naman? Yari ko. Well, I'm so sorry. Yes, I need to take my situation on. Why are you not... Bakit ka not be rich? My goodness. Okay, this is going to be a tricky one, so don't scratch it. Huh? Yeah, boy. Okay. That is a 4-minute waste. Oras. Goodness. Okay. Next thing that I need to do. Pala na ako lumpo. Ah! Nandun na ako, palabas na ako ng barangay. Doon na ako. Oh, shoot! Wala ako sa sarili. Ay, akala ko sniper yun, diba? My eyes hurts. My eyes. Bakit yun? Bakit ito din napakan? Bakit ako nag-downshift, men? Kita mo, wala talaga sa sarili. Apo. Love you. Apo. Damn it. Okay guys, next stop Yamaha. My goodness, sarado pa ang Yamaha. So, God damn it. Ano? Damn, 250 on the chemical. What the heck, man? What the heck? Pabutin na lang, naayos na yung motor ko. Nakaputya, namamatay na eh. Well, that is good, that is good. Naayos na. Hello, Mabel. Andito sa ano, paalis na. Yamaha. Thank you kaya. Love you. Oh, kausap kita. Mabel, ang ganda. Ang ganda ni start. Maayos na siya. Nilinis yung F.I. Papagas pa ako. No answering of phone calls daw. Nakalagay dito sa gas station. So I'm not answering the call, but I have the... Yes sir, mga kaibigan. XCS, full tank. Ano? Sabi? Na mahal. 190 na kaya. Kakanin.
First day na ni Manuel, di ka
na mahal dito. Mahal dito.
Narinig pa ba ako?
Oo. Ang mahal ng gas dito, 480 isang litro. Tangina, 190 191. Dude, ang mahal. Kaya sabi ng car, ay nung ano, thank you daw. Alis na ako at baka hingan pa ako ng sticker, so babush guys, babush. Babush. I'm out. Woo! Sarap gamitin. Namamatay na siya, it means FIs need to be cleaned. Wow, bagay na. Buti na lang talaga, kaso may bayad yung FI Cleaning. It will cost you 250 pesos for the chemical that they use. Actually parang 30 minutes lang yung process, kasi pina-check ko na yung engine. Siyempre ano na tayo, 1 year. It's been 1 year, so engine check na, tune up kumbaga. Tapos yung FI, so for the chemical it will cost me 250 pesos, but I have the last coupon, so the service is free. Pero I'm not sure kung magkano yung ano. So happy birthday to Stark. 1 year na siya, baby. 1 year. 1 year. As you can see, as you can hear on my sounds, nice. Silent, silent. May nakakatawa dito sa sports center. This is McDonald's Avenue. This road. See, McDonald's Avenue. Tinanggal na nila yung sidewalk dito. They make it a 4 lane. I mean 2 lane on every way. Ano 4 lanes na siya? Galing! At least maluwag-luwag na. But dito sa tapat ng munisipyo, in-extend nila yung parking area. But why? 3 lanes tas then 2 lanes. Why? Why? Marikina, why? Oh my goodness, please don't copyright my vlog. So yeah, I can turn off the volume. Yeah, I am sorry for the sound. Mas malakas pa sa ano. I can only imagine what's so loving through the night. I can only imagine the other side by side. I can only imagine we're dancing in the moonlight. Wow, a sniper 150. Shabby, shabby.
I want to know if you will be my favorite song, my little melody. If we could be a symphony